Hi, welcome to the 3D drawing series. My name is Brian Ryder. I'll be doing a number of these. In fact, we'll be doing the complete 3D drawing series, perspective drawing, particularly those suitable for interior design, kitchen design, bathroom design, that kind of thing. Okay, so let's start. This is the isometric, and this is very similar to the axonometric, which is one we've already covered. And this is the same basic technique, but actually using 30-60 format and not the 45-degree set square. So that's what we're going to be looking at. Very simple L-shaped room, very popular kitchen layout, and of course it can be applied to any kind of interior design tech series. As with all these drawings, you should start off with a scale drawing, particularly with rooms like kitchens and bathrooms. Everything in scale, use a standard 1:20 scale. Try and get used to just using that one and as much detail, and use standard notation so that you and somebody else can understand it. Also, we recommend using a simple drawing board. This is a basic Rotring A4 drawing board. Can be used portrait, landscape, track on landscape and portrait sides. So you use your parallel for horizontal lines and you use your set square for vertical and the angle lines. This is a 45 set square, so obviously the 60-30 isometric is the one shown here. This is also shown set at an angle. A lot of people like that. Very simple, very effective. Produces a nice clear drawing. Hand drawn is not recommended. It doesn't look tidy in the end. Some people say that drawing boards produce a harsh line, but in the end you'll learn how to soften that and produce a more artistic effect. So the same as your axonometric drawing, you're starting with the corner of the room, showing the vertical line for the room height, and then 30-60 lines at the floor level and at the ceiling level. 2.4 meters is the default height of the room, but use whatever you have if you prefer. Now we're going to add the worktop line. 900 millimeters is the default line for that. Again, drawing from the corner in your 60-30. Then we'll start adding the carcassing. So we're going to work on the baseline carcassing, producing a 3D outline, which I'm sure you'll be able to see now. 600 millimeters depth is the standard default measurement, or of course you can use whatever you have to. So now we're going to continue that line to the other side, right hand side, carcassing outline for the right hand side. We've still got a bit of a congestion in the center with lines, but we'll work on that later on. Now we're going to produce the wall line. Height to wall line default measurement is 2115. Depth of the wall line is 300 millimeters. Height of the wall units themselves, what you want, but 700, 715, 570, 600. You might sometimes just modify the measurement to give you a better look for the project. Now we're adding some more detail, the window, the depth of the window, the sink, the hob line. Now we're looking at some possible alterations. Here we're showing a sort of a dresser unit at the end, or it could be a glazed unit, or just simply a feature to change the look of the room or provide an alternative purchasing incentive. Then we're going to produce a bit of rendering. This is a simple black and white rendering. Keeps it tidy, neat, very quick. Or of course we can produce a full color, produce a floor line. You could even add some ceiling finish, and maybe we've got a few too many colors, but it's a nice attractive outline. And of course you can also add other details such as plinth insets, worktop thicknesses, cornice, light pelmet, anything if you want to.